My name's Todd Sivia, and I'm with Sivia Law. We help people through life's transitions. Today we're talking about things to think about when you're reviewing your estate plan. First, you must consider a few things with your current estate plan. Has anything changed? Has there been a divorce or death of a loved one? Or has the circumstances of that individual or your beneficiaries changed? Is your current estate plan structured in a way that will promote efficient administration and minimization of your family effort and expense, or even any kind of controversy at your death? Have you updated your power of attorney and your living will lately? Typically in those circumstances, we want to make sure that you have looked through and made sure that digital assets are part of your power of attorney, and you've considered those. Will my qualified retirement accounts pass to the beneficiary in a protected and tax-efficient manner, considering the recent law changes? Next, with that, look for significant law changes in regards to your estate plan and your retirement account planning. Things that have changed recently: the Secure Act, the CARES Act, veterans, anybody that is a veteran. Have you considered any kind of the VA benefits associated with your estate plan? Lastly, there are some non-tax considerations. Reviewing of your estate plan is important for the future of your family. This thorough estate planning can ensure that we've looked at nursing home concerns, the time leading up to your death, at least making sure that things are less stressful and it's not as difficult for the family. The estate is settled in an efficient and cost-effective manner. Thank you. Click on the link below to find out a little bit more information.